Let's say what is a Newton School. Newton School is a platform which prepare you for career in tech. It has a many courses designed for freshers and workers, professionals, and also for a woman who is no tech background. Newton School first trains you for 6 months and help you to become an amazing stack developer. It also has a network of more than 300 great companies who hire from Newton School. So once the training is completed, Newton Schools ensure that its students are placed with some of the best companies in the country. And the best part of this, Newton School has a pay after placement program under which you do not have to pay Newton School anything until and unless you have placed with a minimum 5 lakh CTC. Let's have a look at Newton School Launchpad. Launchpad is an institute taken by Newton School for people who want to start coding from scratch and learn the basics different programming languages for absolutely free of cost. The video will be available in the Launchpad sections of the Newton School. There you can participate several quizzes and assignments related to this course.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to tell about some flexbox which are in HTML. So here is the first flexbox. I simply set up this simple to understand you. Basically, this is in here. I use this flexbox container. Here I simply mention the flex direction column. Now you can see that it's, as I mentioned here, column, it will stick to this, like it will always stay in this column line. You can see that I close, it will stay in the column line here, so you can choose as a row. If I make it row, you can see this, it will go in row. So now we will only stick in row, and the size is decreasing of them. It will compress it. Let me show you another property of. So as we see here, we when you apply column and row, like row and row, it will look like this. If you make it row reverse, if you change the flexbox direction to the row reverse, it will start from ending to start. Like you can see this, it will go 1 2 3, like from ending to start. It's also same to the column. As we firstly show you that the column in which this column is looked like 1 2 3, you can we can also make the column direction reverse as we make in the row. You can see if you make column reverse, like you can see it will start from bottom to 1 2 3, and from the upside it will 2 3 2 1, want to make this column reverse, like you can simply use this flexbox direction column reverse. If you want to reverse the row, you can simply use the row reverse, like you can, as I already see this. Here we use the flex direction property. Let's use the another property. We are using flex wrap property. If you write wrap, it will show like this. You can see this in the wrap. It will automatically adjust according to the frame size. The second, like in this wrap property, flexor property, there is another. So like no wrap. If you type no wrap, it will know, like it will stay in only one line. It will not exist according to the frames. As you can see that it will stay in one line. It will compress it, but in not existing as we only show in wrap. In wrap, it will existing the column according to the frame size. In flex direction, we see that column reverse, row reverse. Also the same. So given in flex wrap, you can also reduce wrap reverse and it will reverse the wrap. You can see 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, like it reverse this. You can see this, like it reverse 12, 11, 10, 9. It reverse the this, is another property called as flex flow. Basically, this flex flow properties stand shorthand property of the, as we see, flex direction and also and the flex property stand out from that both the properties. Now we are going to see the another property called as justify content. In this, like in first we I write down here center. In the justify content center, this atom are aligned to center, like you can see this. These three atoms are aligned to the center. Here we can also start the flex box from the end by using flex from starting using flex start. Like this you can, as I talk, like you can also start it from the end as well. Like you have to simply mention is flex end and it will start from the end. Like you can see here 3, 2, 1 is start from the end. Basically now we use justify content space around. Basically this will give a space around to this atoms before and between the and after. You can see this give the equal space, and we can also write this space between and this space between as we will write here space between justify content space between is giving space between this 1 and 2 and also between 2 and third items. So now we are going to see the another property which is align atoms, in which in first property I use the align atom center. Align this flex box in the middle of the container. You can see that this exists in the middle of the container as we write the align atom center. In this property we also have the flex start. When we write the flex start, this flex box is started from first, and we also can write the flex end, and it will start from the bottom like end like this. In this property we also have this stretch. Basically in this stretch this will stretch to the like from the upturn to the bottom. If we use the stretch property, if we use and if you use the baseline align item baseline, basically this will align all the boxes in a line like this one is all the atoms are aligned in the one line. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then push the like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the icon so you never miss the update of your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.